G'day throttlers and welcome back to the channel. I've got some really exciting news. For those of you in New South Wales that wear a helmet with either a GoPro on it or a comms unit on it, up until just recently, it's been illegal to actually wear them. I know that we've all had them, but it has been illegal, and if you ever got caught, there was fines involved in that. Now, a document has come out in the last week or so, and it's actually saying that there's been some research done, common sense has prevailed, and we are now allowed to attach aftermarket devices to our helmet. It's legal, providing that we do it the right way. So I'm going to be looking at a document on my computer screen just here. So while I'm reading, I'm going to be looking over there. Don't think I'm ignoring you. All right, so aftermarket devices. The Centre for Road Safety recently assessed the risk of head and neck injuries associated with motorcycle helmets. The findings of the study inform changes to Transport New South Wales policy, which now allow motorcycle riders to attach aftermarket camera and communications devices, providing they follow manufacturer's instructions. The findings of this study and the change to policy are publicly available at the Centre for Road Safety website. So if you want to read these documents and you want to just do your own research, head over to the Centre for Road Safety website and all the documents will be there. All right, so fines and demerit points may apply if aftermarket devices are not attached correctly. So it's legal to attach, but you've got to attach them right. So essentially what it says, you cannot attach an aftermarket device by drilling holes in the helmet. Now, that's common sense, right? Who's going to really want to drill a hole in a helmet and then put it on their head? But it has to be said. Now, you can't drill holes in your helmet and you can't use epoxy glue to attach the device to a helmet as well. If you use epoxy glue or you drill or you screw anything into your helmet is considered damaged and therefore not in good repair, not in good working order. And therefore these helmets are no longer an approved motorbike helmet under Regulations 270 of the New South Wales Road Rules 2014. So essentially, again, it's common sense. If you're installing your aftermarket devices with the 3M tape that's supplied by the manufacturers, then it's all good, and pretty much that's what we all do, right? So I've got the Cena on the right side of on my left side of my helmet here. It's attached securely by the 3M tape. Now the Cenas and a lot of the comms units actually can clip in as well. So that's probably a good option as well. Now on the front of the helmet is my GoPro, again attached with the 3M tape. Now this brings me on to the next topic, is the position of the aftermarket devices. The aftermarket device must not interfere with the structural integrity of the helmet. It must not obscure the rider's field of view in front or to the side, and it must be safely and securely fitted as per manufacturer's guidelines. And again, it should never involve drilling or screws. So as you can see with my helmet, I have my GoPro on the chin bar, on a little mount with the 3M tape supplied by Gopro. You can also buy that aftermarket as well. But my field of view comes out around about here of my helmet. And I can't even see the GoPro underneath my eye line when I'm riding. So in that case, I'm assuming that this is a safe use of the GoPro being on the chin mount out in front of me like this. Now, if you had your camera mount sitting up higher and you could see it in your field of view, that's classified as illegal. So keep that in mind as well. Now, if you're someone who actually attaches your GoPros or your action cameras to the side of your helmet, if it's affecting your peripheral vision, then it's illegal. So keep that in mind. If it's sitting out here and you can see it off in your peripheral vision, it's probably illegal. So make adjustments. Top of the helmet seems like it's going to be 100% fine as well. Anyway, team, super exciting news for those of us in New South Wales that have comms units or cameras on our helmets. Obviously, being a moto vlogger, I've always got cameras on my helmet, so it is now legal, providing it's done the right way. Now, just to recap, I'm reading this document off a government website that is towards0.nsw.gov.au. And if you want to read the findings of the study and the change to the policy, They are located on the Centre for Road Safety website. Anyway, good news, folks, as far as I'm concerned. I hope this information helped. And until the next video, as always, throttle on, stay safe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.